Hi everyone, welcome to Comet Computer Private Limited e-learning program of Azure Public Cloud Training. Myself Ilan Chedian, Technical Director at Comet Computer Private Limited. In this video, we will see how to reset the administrator password of a Windows virtual machine. We'll move on to the demonstration. See, usually the Windows administrator account and password is created while creating the virtual machine. And after deployment of the virtual machine is done, we can change the administrator password at any time. If suppose you forgot the password after the deployment or even while your virtual machine is in production, you forgot the administrator password. So you need not to bother about that. You can change the administrator password at any time, at any point of time. So you come to the virtual machine, scroll down where you can find support and troubleshooting, and so below that you can find a reset password, and here we have the option reset password, so where you can type the new administrator password. Before that, I'll want to verify the existing username and password. I just want to show you. So here we have the username. Already we have user named Comet. So this is the our administrator account. You can see here this is the built-in administrator account. So while creating the virtual machine, we created this account, and now I want to change this. If suppose we forgot the username as well as password, you can change both, or at least you remember the username, you can keep the username and you can change the password alone. So for now, I want to change the username and password. I just give the name Comet Admin, and I'll give a new password. Okay, so this is done. Actually, this change is going to be done in the operating system of the virtual machine. So for this, VM Access extension is used. By default, this extension will be installed on the guest operating system of the virtual machine. So using this extension, so changes whatever we do here, that is going to get updated on the virtual machine's guest operating system. Okay, fine. Now, after giving the username and password, press on this update. So then the resetting of the password will start. This will take a few minutes because whatever the change we are doing here, so this has to be done on the operating system of the virtual machine. So it will take a few minutes. So you should have patience, and we will wait for that. Yeah, so the resetting of the username and password is successfully done. So we'll verify whether the change is reflecting in the virtual machine or not. I'm just refreshing the page. Yeah, so now here you can see earlier we had a Comet user account. Now additionally we have one more user account, Comet admin. So this account is going to be the account through which we can log on to the virtual machine and we can manage it. We'll check this, we'll confirm this. I just close this RDP session. I'm again opening the RDP session. So earlier we used a Comet username. Now I want to use the new username, Comet admin, and the password is done. So now we have logged in with the new username and password. So this is how we can reset the administrator account of a Windows virtual machine. So this is the user account through which we logged in, and also we can see this user is member of administrators group. So obviously this user is going to be the administrator user. Even later, if you want to change the password of this account, you can also change. So that is up to you. Okay, and that's all about the lab today. And the remaining configuration we'll discuss in the next video. Until then, bye bye.